Hey, what's going on, everyone? So I'm going to siphon out this old gas out of this old pickup. In case you're new to the channel, this is a 81 Chevy Square Body that I picked up a couple of weeks ago. Alright, so it's a little bit more complicated than just sticking the tube in this hole. We went to the store. Lightning, about to start raining here, so went to the store, got some more tubing, and was still having a problem with the getting it down in there. So what I did was I went and took the hose. There's like a rubber hose for going into the tank, like a little elbow from the pipe. Anyway, so I took that off, put the tubing, our hose, that, and siphoned out that much, so maybe a couple of gallons. And just got back from the store. I'm gonna put some new gas in there, and but as you can tell, about to start raining here. We're going to do some lunch here, so hopefully, listen, I'm gonna enjoy this rain in the middle of July or late July. I have to put some gas in the carburetor. Actually, I had to switch on the wrong fuel tank. I've got my foot on the gas a little bit. Let it idle, see if it idles. Nope. Come on. Come on, stay going. Gotta get that old gas through that line. There it goes. Come on, stay going. It's gonna die. Smoke back there. I have not had to put any gas in the car on the carburetor at all. And the more I leave it running, the easier it is to idle, getting that bad gas out. All right, it's running, it's idling. I'm airing up this tire over here, and once I get this tire aired up, I'm gonna drive it up and down the the driveway, and then I'm gonna go possibly take it out on the street. All right, brakes can need to be adjusted. Probably need to get new brakes. We're just gonna go down the street, turn around, and come back. I'm just kind of idling. I'm not gonna give it too much gas. Our street's not really a fast street. This is our first drive. Fix that. Hopefully you guys can see well. It's our first little drive down our street. I was hoping to be able to get this thing out and drive a little bit. So far, pretty impressed. Again, we're not going but 10 mile an hour. All right. Again, these brakes on this thing is not all that good. In reverse, turning it around. Yeah, the brakes on this thing sucks. All right, I'm gonna take it down to the end of our street, down to the highway, and then I'll turn it around down there. So I want to give it some gas. Got it up to 20. I should have my GoPro going for this. Definitely should have my GoPro going, but we're on this little bumpy road, and just ain't vibing with this iPhone and tripod situation. I really didn't plan on getting this far today, to be totally honest. I expected to have a few hiccups trying to keep it idling, but like, no. I mean, once I got the bad gas out of the line and out of the tank, because it's new gas in there, and I only put like maybe 2 to 3 gallons in this thing. Hear that? I don't know if you can hear it. This is, it's not registered yet. Guy I bought it from was my wife's uncle, and he's applying for lost title for it and all that. And that takes a little bit of time. And once we get that, then we'll have it registered, get a sticker, and by that time, hopefully I'll have everything legal and ready to go on here. All right, let me turn around right here. I don't have that mirror adjusted. Yeah, I'm ready to get this thing going. Like I said, I'm gonna have to get everything going, and next time I'll bring a GoPro. I'll definitely bring a GoPro next time. Kind of on the fly videoing here. That way you can see it more. Not just me, but the outside as well. But yeah, this is I'm impressed by how far we've gotten in this on just this one day. Just getting this thing running and confident enough to where I can just go in and change the spark plugs. Again, I'm having to have to replace the brakes. I could tell. Of course, I'm used to my new trucks. Those good brakes. Yeah, pretty happy about this. Pretty happy that I was able to get this thing at least driving up the street. I'm probably, so talking about the gas and the gas, what I'm probably going to do is go ahead and at least get new fuel pumps from the, I don't know what we call them, the fuel pump that's in the gas can, but where, where it picks it up. And because I could definitely tell that my gas gauge is not right. And so I'm gonna pull off the bed probably, and if I need to go and buy new gas tanks, I will. They're like $100. I already looked, so that may be that's not a bad price. $100 to change, have brand new gas tanks on here. But main thing is the pickup, the fuel pickup, or whatever you call them, and I want to make sure that those are good. And I'm pulling real bad, probably because my tires are still pretty low. But I didn't expect to go out on the highway at all. Okay. Well, let me hold you. Oh, camera. Pulling back in the driveway here. Come on. Yeah, I wanted to die that time. Wanted to die. I'm going to see if he'll idle right here in the driveway. Yeah, not a problem. It wanted to die when I came turning down in. Went into gear just fine. All right. She wants me to park at a different spot. So. The old steering squeak. I don't know if y'all heard that. Here it goes. Good. Perfect. Just like that. Okay. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I know it would be something for me to look back on. Talk to you guys later.